Today I'm gonna give you a tour of our first Airbnb in Canada, in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Toronto is called the Six. Turn on? Yeah. In Toronto, it's a really good place. This is the porch. And as you enter, by the way, they use a keypad lock, so you don't have to bring any key. Let me just close it because it's so cold right now. Okay, let's start here. So here you hang your coat, winter coats. You can do it here because when it snows, your coat gets wet and it's a little bit cold here, but you can leave your shoes here. Da-da-da. There's a low table. There's a TV mounted on the wall, and there's a big couch here. You can just sit here while watching the snow. Okay, so that's the living room. And then from the living room, here you can see the washroom here. The second floor, where there are 3 bedrooms. But before that, let me show you the dining table. This dining table also works as a workspace, so we work here with our housemates. That's my laptop, my phone, and the chairs are very comfy. It's big. It's huge and comfy. Not too soft, not too hard. And we eat here, we bring our food here, we bring hot chocolate while working. When it snows, we open it so we can see the snow falling, and it's really beautiful. And that's Yuta. Hi Yuta! There's a sewing machine here. Nobody uses it because we don't know how to use it. It's mostly decoration. And there's a plant that already died. When we arrived here, this plant was already dead. And there are candles, candles. Electric fan, which of course we don't use because it's winter right now. And yeah, that's the dining table slash workspace. This space is really huge. There are 5 people living here right now. The host doesn't live here. The 2 of us, Yuta and me, and 2 Russian housemates and 1 Canadian. Let's go to the kitchen. This is the kitchen island. We use it as a breakfast table in the morning because it's just so easy to wipe. Actually, we use it as a lunch and dinner table as well. Since there are a lot of people living here, we usually put our name tag so the cleaner won't throw our stuff away. The plates are here. Lots of containers here. Knives. And yeah, cooking pots. They have a heater, of course. What's great about this kitchen is that they have a dishwasher. Refrigerator. Oh, I can't show you. Like that. A microwave, a toaster, and the glasses are here. Our housemate's wine. Let's go outside. There's another window here, and I like this door because you can actually see the view from the inside without going outside. So if it snows, we don't go out, we just watch the snow from here. Yeah, the snow hasn't melted yet because it snowed yesterday. This is a very nice patio. When it's summer, it's a really good spot to have, you know, a barbecue with your friends, your housemates. It leads to the basement where some people are also living, because in Canada each house has a basement usually. The washer and dryer are also there. Let's go inside because I'm still not used to the cold. And that's about it. So nice. Oh, and this Airbnb has a printer if you want to print your boarding pass. What's this? They have this one too for exercising. Their housemates gaming consoles because they're gamers. Neighborhood. And we're actually moving 2 days later.